Hello, so my problem is the steamboat problem, and it says you are taking a steamboat cruise on the Mississippi River from New Orleans to Baton Rouge, a distance of 108 nautical miles. The steamboat will travel at a steady rate of 8 nautical miles per hour. Use the following verbal model, and then it says how long will the cruise last? Okay, so to solve this problem, I first want to write down the information that I know. I know my distance is 108 nautical miles, so I'm going to write that down. I also know that my rate is 8 nautical miles per hour. Okay, and then I also know what I'm trying to figure out, right? I'm trying to figure out how long, or in other words, what is time, which I'll define as t. Now I need to set up a verbal model so that I can plug my numbers into. So I know that distance equals rate times time. Now it's a pretty simple problem. I know that I have my distance is 108 nautical miles, so I plug that in for distance. I also know what my rate is. I have 8 nautical miles per hour, so I can plug that right in for rate. And then I also defined my variable time to be t, so I can plug that right in for t. Now all I have to do is solve this equation. So I'll divide both sides by 8, and then I'll just plug that into my calculator to figure out what I get. $13.5 equals t. My last thing I have to do is actually answer the question, how long will the cruise last? Well, I know it's 13.5. but that is in terms of hours, which I read up here, okay? So I'm gonna write down 13.5 hours is my final answer. And that's pretty much it.